The PlayStation 5 Pro (PS5 Pro) is expected to be a more powerful version of Sony's current generation console, designed to meet the growing demand for higher performance gaming in the United States. As gaming audiences increasingly invest in 4K TVs and high refresh rate monitors, the PS5 Pro aims to deliver smoother gameplay, improved graphics fidelity, and more consistent frame rates compared to the standard PlayStation 5. This upgraded console is positioned as a mid-generation refresh, similar to what Sony previously did with the PlayStation 4 Pro. One of the most talked about aspects of the PS5 Pro is its expected graphical performance. The console is rumored to feature a significantly upgraded GPU, enabling better ray tracing capabilities and enhanced rendering techniques. For US gamers who prioritize visual quality in titles like Call of Duty or Spider-Man 2, this means more realistic lighting, reflections, and overall immersion. Additionally, the PS5 Pro is expected to push more games toward true 4K resolution at higher frame rates, with some titles potentially supporting 120Hz gameplay more consistently. Another key improvement lies in performance stability. Many current PS5 games require players to choose between performance mode and quality mode. The PS5 Pro is designed to reduce that compromise by offering both high resolution and smooth frame rates simultaneously. This is particularly appealing for competitive gamers in the United States who demand responsiveness in fast-paced multiplayer games, as well as for casual players who want a seamless cinematic experience. Storage and loading speeds are also expected to remain a strong point. Building on the ultra-fast SSD technology already present in the PS5, the Pro model will likely maintain or slightly improve these speeds. This ensures near-instant loading times, quick game switching, and a smoother overall user experience, features that have become essential for modern gamers accustomed to convenience and speed. From a market perspective, the PS5 Pro targets enthusiasts who want the best possible console experience without transitioning to PC gaming. In the United States, where large-screen TVs and home entertainment systems are common, this console fits well into living room setups. It also aligns with the growing popularity of digital gaming ecosystems, including services like PlayStation Plus, which provide access to a wide library of games. In summary, the PS5 Pro represents Sony's effort to push console gaming further by enhancing power, visuals, and performance without requiring a full generational leap. For a US audience, it appeals to both hardcore gamers seeking top-tier performance and everyday users looking to future-proof their gaming setup.